Hi guys, this is Chloe from IB Electronic Product. Wish you have a nice day. As you know, the compliance certificate is very important for electronic products when importing or exporting the products. So today I will introduce some common used certificate for electronic products. First of all, CE certificate is very commonly used in European market and Australian market. The product with CE certificate indicate that they meet the requirements expressed by a series of European directives such as safety, hygiene, environmental protection, and consumer protection. Thirdly, is UL certification. If you are in market, then the UL certificate is very important. You may enter the consumer clearance problems without UL certificate. Thirdly, RoHS certification is also called Environmental Protection Certification, which in line with the European standards. Thirdly, PSE certification is a mandatory safety certification in Japan, which is used to prove that electrical or electronic products pass the safety standard test of the Japanese Electrical and Material Safety Law or International IEC standard. Okay, that's all. If you want to get more information, welcome to follow our channel and contact us. Thank you. Bye.